Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to add pronouns to your Instagram profile on your iPhone or Android. It only takes a few seconds, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Next, tap Edit Profile. Now tap Pronouns. In the search box, type the pronouns you want to add. Instagram will show matching options as you type. Tap the pronoun you want to add, then repeat the process if you'd like to add another one. You can add up to 4 pronouns to your profile. If you only want your followers to see your pronouns, turn on the Show Only to Followers toggle. Otherwise, leave it off to make your pronouns visible to everyone. Once you're done, tap Done in the top right corner. Go back to your profile, and you'll now see your pronouns displayed next to your name. And that's it. That's how you add pronouns to your Instagram profile on iPhone or Android. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.